Guys, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Today we are going to share a quick, easy Mughlai recipe with you, chicken Afghani or Afghani chicken. For the ingredients we have used half a kg boneless chicken. After washing the chicken, we will cut it into small pieces and keep it aside in a bowl. This dish uses very less spices and ingredients and it still tastes really nice. The other ingredients used in this recipe are 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek or kasturi methi, a cup of fresh curd, 1 tablespoon each of garam masala powder, chicken masala powder, chaat masala powder and some freshly chopped green chilies. I have also used fresh dairy cream, half a bowl of Amul cream in this recipe. Then we have used paste of cashews. We have used 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for tanginess. Now as far as this fenugreek is concerned, we need to roast it first and then use it in the marinade. For roasting it, place the pan over a burner and toast this fenugreek into the pan and stir it occasionally. Cook it for about a minute or less and you get the roasted fenugreek. Keep it aside in a bowl and let it cool down. And we will mix the marinade. For the marinade, into the chicken add lemon juice. Then we will add the bowl of curd. Then we will add the other spices as I showed you earlier. Then into this we will add half of this roasted fenugreek and keep the other half for later. We will also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and keep the other cream for later. We will also add salt into this, and the salt you can add according to your taste. Here I have added 2 tablespoons of salt. Now after washing your hands, mix the marinade nicely to get a creamy texture. We need to mix this marinade properly because we don't want any lumps of the spices into it. So we will mix it for quite some time until we get a nice creamy marinade. Into this marinade we have to give a smoky infusion because the smoky infusion will make it taste good. For that we will need wood charcoal and I will show you how to give an infusion. On a burner, put the charcoal and let it burn for some time. When the charcoal is burning, place a bowl into the marinade and with the help of tongs, place this burning charcoal into the bowl. Now after we place the charcoal, we will pour some hot oil over it. As the smoke starts leaving, we will cover the lid and keep it aside for an hour. After that, we will pour hot oil into a pan and put this chicken into it. We will cook chicken pieces on each side for about a minute. You can see that I'm adding all the chicken pieces into hot oil and I will cook them on each side. After some time, I will flip the chicken and cook it on the other side as well for about a minute. This will give you a very tender and good taste of chicken. So after flipping it, I'll make the curry out of the marinade because I have a lot of marinade left. You can use it like this also, the chicken, but I like it in a curry. So after pouring oil into a pan, we will let it heat for some time and we will add the rest of the marinade that was left with us. So after pouring the marinade into the hot oil, I will add the things I had kept for later, that is the rest of the cream, Amul cream. I will add it into this. I will also add the cashew paste and I will mix a little bit of water with it first and then I will add it into this. So after adding these 2 things, I will give it a stir and cook it for some time. You can see that we get a nice color. Now when it's boiling, the mixture of all these things, I will add chicken pieces into it. So after adding all the chicken pieces into this curry, we will give it a stir and cook it for some time covered with the lid. Now after cooking it for about 5 to 10 minutes, we will remove the lid and the chicken looks done. The curry looks really good. It is a nice color and I can smell a nice flavor as well. So we will serve it in a dish. Thank you for watching our channel. Do subscribe to our channel, share this video, like and comment as well. Thank you.